Yes, my people, big up in yourself. Welcome back again. Welcome to another one. Yeah, man. And today we are there to talk about, boy, I tell you, Colaz TV. Yes, people them out there beat Colaz. That fact. I tell you straight up. Straight. Badmind is active. Yes. So Badmind where Badmind is active over Colaz TV. Believe Badmind active over Colaz TV. Yes. Colaz put on wings and upgrade and start fly. Get big. You know, look down on you again. You will look down on them now. People them never want that happen. Them never want to go so. Them not care about nobody. Nobody not partial. Nobody not care. Them start attacking man and him family. Crazy something. The babes. Them start attacking man and him family. Pass the boundary gone way over. Man, not a personal life again. Believe it, Badmind is active. Them all up in that man thing. Ready to fight the man. Them can't stomach. Can't afford for no say. And that Jamaican YouTuber. I reach the pinnacle. I reach the top. I reach the level. They want to reach and he not done know. He not done reach where he want to reach it. He still want to go higher. Because man a creator. Man a real content creator. If he couldn't create content, he wouldn't reach this. If he couldn't create content, he wouldn't subscribe. He wouldn't be a fan of him. Yes. I really come out to back him because I rate him. Just come out to talk the truth like that because I never see this man before. I never see him personally. Watch him from day one. That's how I go. Try remember say who a Badmind him before the dude up on top. They get the same treatment. They will watch you till you look like right up on the hill, then kick you off and then I look. All when you look. Kick you right off. Yeah, man. So this is some comments where man, them a left when the man a left out. Send him family out. Some crazy people. And them a subscribe and them a fans. You have to wonder if them really did a fans or them did if you watch. Remember, you know, man. You can't stop the man again because man a creator. Man can create content. Man have a team. Man are the boss of Jamaican YouTube right now. Yes. A matter of fact, let me tell you this. People them love him. All who know haters way out there. They go on like my friend. And I hate for the man thing and the man. Friend them and the man team. No freak up, brother. No messed up. Yes. No inside dark. No inside terrible. But sometimes I just don't grow and come up. I really cannot help it. I done did a wolf from day one. So you just put on the sheep wool come out. Now come smile up in them face. Yes. Badmind real brother. Believe. Yeah, man. So big up to Colaz and big up the whole team. Yeah, man. So when them do them thing, I'm more upgrade them again. You might think, I tear down. Yes, I want to tear down. But if you know And you have a heart where you have, it will rise you up, it will propel you on a bigger stream, up on a bigger level. And then the thing again, if you decide, say, you left Jamaica and done with them people there, and going at different place, you think a little here get little, a big here get bigger. At that time, then they have to call you God. And you know, like that. Yeah, man. I'm not going to spit here, spit in God's face when you say that. The people them say that. Yes. It's just a normal, simple brother, man. And by your heart clean and you do enough for people, you shall get a reward. Some way, somehow. Yeah, man. Leave it. And the amount of people, amount of things to say, amount of people where love Colaz, I love Colaz TV. We are dying to see your content come out. But him wouldn't mind it to come every minute so we can continue to watch. Yes. Them always I wait for it. And I wait for the new content. And the people them love him. Especially people them who don't know him from nowhere. Right now them ready to have your back. Right now. We are how. Who not a fight the man. The man a good man. You know say who will fight him. There's a cause more darkness upon yourself. More darkness you cause upon yourself. Because amount of people, amount of blessing, them the man they put on and hand down to other people. Worldwide. You can't stop him blessing when Father God has sent it. You will get it by the abundant. So all the haters, you better prepare and strapped up. And having a heart strapped up and dash in the dark and bring in the light. Because I'll feel in the heart. I go have strokes, heart attack. And I go have brother run from this. So I don't feel like saying I fling my liquor wrench in my spokes. Nah, man. When I go put on big bike spokes. So when wrench go in there, it go fly and I go fling something bigger. The man have on wings and a fly. And the whole place get Badmind get active. Yes, that's so you go. And about that thing say, it happen to Colaz alone. Make it happen to one of your local friend in your community. You could have dead. Him own a friend and him own a people them around him, I grew up around him, try to tear him down. When they should not show him love and show him help and make him reach up. And when he can come back and reach out. Them now and that. All in them mind. I should have been me. 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 But mine is active. Sorry. And but mine is really active. Yes. They want to frig up Colaz business. But mine is active. Yeah, man. Big up to yourself, Colaz TV. From Yardman TV. News and entertainment. Boom. I'm out. Guess what, people? Now take this one too long. Alright, that's how we are cut it. Next time we reason from a level. Yeah, man. And remember, Colaz did it for the people, them son of it did it for him. Big up, boom. No response about him family and him wife and them thing there. Nah, want to kick him further in the Uno and give. Yeah, man. Big up. I'm out. Boom.